two things back there.
Well, the store credit ones can't recycle it because here's the store credit for it, started to pay for it. And the hard drive, he's going to come and pick it up today.
Hey everybody, I'm Terrence here, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway Street, 154 in Acworth, Georgia. It's a Halloween costume contest. Now's a chance for you to get some free tech. Just come in with your Halloween costume, and we're gonna see if you win. We're gonna actually tell the winner on October 31st. So you have it from now until October 31st to come into Computers Plus, show us your costume, and let us snap a quick photo of you, and then we'll see who's gonna win. You get 5 chances to win 5 prizes. So 5 prizes: MacBook Pro, Windows Dell laptop, tablet, drone, some great gifts for people starting for that Halloween, going into that Christmas. Don't forget about Thanksgiving. So guys, we can't wait to see you guys in your great costume because for our contest. Now, tomorrow is Women Wednesday. So if you're a woman, please come in on Wednesday and get 10% off any service or any products. Now, I'm going to put a little out there about our food drive. We're still doing our food drive. So if you have any canned goods, please bring them in. We get those donated to all the shelters, especially one being Northwest Christian Church. We get the food to them. They get it out to all the families at Cobb County. So I'm so super excited. I can't wait to see you guys' costume. And when you come in, you'll be seeing some of us staff here dressed up in our Halloween costume, a Halloween costume as well. I keep saying contest after everything. It's like a double word. I keep saying it. So I don't know. I'm just maybe it's the heat. It is getting a little cold out there. So if you know, I woke up this morning. I was like, oh my gosh, it's time to get my long sweatshirt on and my hoodie because it is getting cold out there. I think winter's going to be really cold. Well, I look forward to seeing you guys on your Halloween costume, and we'll see you guys soon. Let me get back to work on some computers. See you guys soon. Bye.
See you, Terrence. Come out to our Halloween decorations.
Hmm?